Guys? Yes, yes, Dixie, good girl. Who's coming this weekend? Who's going to come see you this weekend? Is it Grandma and Grandpa? Are Grandma and Grandpa coming? Oh, boy, yes. Hi, Dixie. Oh, can you talk? Can you say hi? Yeah, don't you jump up, Dixie. Eagle, what about you? Oh, yay. No, get down. What is with you guys jumping up? Oh, you're just excited. Oh, just excited. No, they're not here yet, Eagle. Oh, hi. Hi. Who's coming this weekend? Oh, who's coming this weekend? No, they're not here yet. Dixie, can you say something? Dixie. Yes, good girl. Dixie. Hi. Hi there. Say something. Say hi. Dixie, where's Eagle? Oh, there he is. What's he got? What you got, buddy? Oh, you got the green bone. Okay. Okay. Can you say hi? Woof. Good girl. Dixie. Good girl. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.